What's up, nation? It is Friday, fabulous Friday. Today is a nice, fun one. We're throwing something different today. It's going to be a partner WOD. It's going to be a 20-minute Amrap, right? All the movements are going to be synchro. Before you guys start, Coach Briggs and myself, whatever class we're doing, we're going to tell you guys if you partner up with anyone, well, yeah, obviously you will, but just to mute everyone else besides your partner, right? We'll be able to help as much as we can with that starting at the beginning of class, but I believe if you go into your settings on that Zoom and you go into manage participants, right there you're able to select to see where you can mute other individuals, other members besides your partner that you'll be partnering up for that day today, or for Friday. But other than that, the Metcon, it's going to be 10 deadlifts, 20 med ball sit-ups, 10 burpees, into 20 med ball Russian twists. Those med balls, it's just going to be total of 20, right? And they're all going to be synchro. So with those deadlifts, you have barbell, have dumbbells, have kettlebell. That's what we're going to be using for that deadlifts. It's going to be synchro. The medicine ball sit-up. Ammo. Right, so legs be at that butterfly position, feet are together. From there, you can reach on back, violently come up as fast as you can, reach out in front, reach as far as you can. Booyah. If you have a light dumbbell, right, if you don't have a medicine ball, but if you do have like a dumbbell or a kettlebell and you want to rock some weight, go ahead and use that. Just be cautious though with the weight going overhead, right? Obviously if the medicine ball hits us, it's a little bit of a cushion. Obviously different for a dumbbell and a kettlebell. And then from there, you're gonna have your Russian twist, right? On here, what you wanna focus on is getting that full rotation. So really reaching out, turning into those shoulders. Notice how Coach Briggs, as he rotates, those shoulders are turning all the way back. Just don't try to rush through, banging it back and forth. If you have to, those feet can be on the ground. I'd rather have you have the feet on the ground and getting the full rotation through. Can also though, if you have great balance or if you feel confident, have those feet come up and then still get those rotating Russian twists. Other than that, our warm up is going to be 30 seconds. It's going to be for 2 rounds, right? 30 seconds each movement. Sorry, you're going to go windmills with the PVC pipe. So you'll have that PVC pipe on your back. Feet are going to be out wide. Try to focus the end of the tip of the PVC pipe to the toe, right? Boom. Dropping down. Just like so, 30 seconds, and then from there, stay in that split-legged stance. You're just gonna have your good mornings. Back nice and flat. Okay, guys, sending those hips back, and then from there, we're just gonna get into some cat-cows. We're gonna be on all 4. From there, going into that cat, into that cow. After that, we're gonna go into these bird dogs. These bird dogs are gonna be, though, into that bear crawl position. It's totally up to you, right? Knees are gonna be off on the ground. Find that struggling and loss of balance, by all means, drop the knees down. And then from there, we'll get into this lemon squeeze, right? So knees and arms together, holding into that lemon squeeze, just like so. And then from there, you're going to this 3 rounds. It's going to be 8 weighted RDL. So if you're going with the whatever weight you're choosing for today, it's just going to be the single leg RDL. So I'll be here, reaching on out as far as I can. I'll switch legs, and then from there you'll go into 4 glute bridge walkouts. So you'll be into that glute position, hips nice and up on those heels, and then walking it out as far as you can with the heels, and then walk it back. That'll be 1. Get 4 reps in, and then from there we'll have 5 Navy SEALs. Right. So remember, it'll be a push up, come up, knee will come to elbow, push up, knee to elbow, push up. And that is 1. You'll come up, jump up, like if you're finishing off with the burpee, and that would be 1. And then from there, just a 10-second Superman plank. So remember, we're starting in that regular plank position. Reach those arms out as far as you can. Hold that sucker for 10 seconds. And that is it. Remember, our post-WOD, have 2 to 3 rounds. Attack either that lower body, hit into some of that hamstrings. Core can get into that cobra stretch, and then that upper body, hit up your chest, shoulders. Spend about 30 seconds in each stretch. Go for around 2 to 3 rounds, and have a good weekend, you guys.